So for this one, again, you want to think about the chain rule and the process that we talked about in Calc 1, where this trig power is really the same thing as hyperbolic cosine squared plus hyperbolic sine squared. Okay, so you rewrite that, and then once you rewrite it, that makes it clear that you do have to use the chain rule. So applying the chain rule here, we would bring down the 2, keep the inside, and then multiply by the derivative of this hyperbolic cosine, which again, remember that sine, cosine, and tangent, when you're talking about the hyperbolic of those, are all positive. So cosine hyperbolic cosine is going to go to a positive hyperbolic sine. Okay? And then we would have plus, and then do a similar chain rule process for the second term. So you would bring down the 2, keep the inside fixed, and then multiply by the derivative of the inside, which would be hyperbolic cosine. Okay, now when you look at that, you really have the same term, and you have like terms because, of course, if you look at cosine times sine, sine times cosine, they're the same. So you could just add those coefficients together and get that the simplified version of your derivative would be 4, and then the order you write these factors in does not matter. So 4 hyperbolic sine, hyperbolic cosine, or you could rewrite the factors with cosine first and then sine. The order, of course, does not matter. So this would be your derivative.